Hi, I'm Steve Adubato for JFKTV, but more importantly, I'm here with Dr. Marc Wolfman. Doctor, you've been on staff here for how long?
Over 25 years.
Well, what's interesting is that you experienced it not just as a clinician, but with your dad as a family member here being treated by the staff, right?
That's correct.
Talk about that experience.
Well, fortunately, even though my father ultimately did pass away, he was 90 years old. And, but luckily, he had a very, very good experience, as did, all the family members who took part in visiting him, too. The staff was great, every floor he went to, nurses, but it went beyond the nurses and the physicians. It really included all the housekeeping, everybody involved. Just couldn't have been nicer.
You know what's so interesting is that very few physicians get to see patient relations, care of a patient so close up. You got to see it to the point where you actually wrote a letter. And I read the letter, and it was very detailed. And you also talked about the hospice care as well. Talk about why you actually took the time to write that letter.
Well, hospice is a very special unit, as anyone who's dealt with it before would know. The people who work there have a special type of a job, and they just care so much, and they show the caring, and they do everything to keep people as comfortable as they possibly can be, knowing it's going to be the last days, hours, weeks of their lives. And they do really a tremendous job.
But why the letter?
I just wanted to express, especially in today's day and age, where as physicians, as well as patients, as well as staff, nursing, administration, we all have to deal with the cumbersome task of dealing with insurance companies and the like. And it's really given us a bad taste of that side of medicine. But the fact that people still care and do their jobs the way they're capable of doing makes that part of it still very good, as opposed to the bad things we have to deal with.
What do you think it says about the team here at JFK?
I think they did a tremendous job, and I hope, if anything, the letter helped to not only pat them on the back, but give them more incentive to keep up the good work.
So finally, what would you say to that team, your colleagues, the nurses, the doctors, the orderlies, everybody on the team? Because I saw that letter. You went all the way down to the details of people who are with your dad at every hour of the day, 7 days a week, 24 hours a day. Talk to those folks directly. They'll get this message.
Go team. That's the best thing. They did a great job, and I want to keep doing it for
Doctor,
everybody.
Can't thank you enough, Doctor. Thank you.
Thank you.
For JFK TV, I couldn't say it any better than that. I'm Steve Adubato. Thanks very much.